the class that we're going to have for spring 2021. So we're going to have lots of exciting projects building on the concepts that we have been working on throughout this particular term. So we're going to look at temperature sensing and come up with some very cool applications. And you can think of how to implement this in real life. We're also going to learn how to program an LCD screen. I think that one's quite interesting. It can get a bit challenging, but it would be very cool to customize, some of these devices and have some form of a display. We're also going to use random numbers to generate and create interesting interactive games, such as an electronic die, as you can see down here, and continue with me for the next term and build on some of these very interesting concepts that we've learned.